What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and as you can see here, I have an unboxing of the Pixel 7. Now, this is a unlocked version, Best Buy. Shout out to the people over at Best Buy. Got this to me very quickly. I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys and pretty much let you know that the Pixel 7 coverage will be on my channel, and be looking forward to plenty of coverage on this particular phone. So real quick, don't need an unboxing knife. Got the nice tabs, pull to open. Now this is a 6.3 inch version. I kind of went for the more 6.3 because I kind of thought that was kind of like a nice sweet spot for me. I do have a larger iPhone, the 6.7 inch Pro Max, so I cannot see myself carrying two phones of similar dimensions, so I decided to go with this one. Got the Obsidian Black. Real quick, you get your basic package in there. You do get a nice little dongle for data transfer from your older phone. You do get a C-to-C cable, very durable. It's not thin at all, so you should be able to get along with this for a while. And you have your normal instructions and introductory guides inside. I'm going to put everything back and do a quick. As you can see, there is a diagram letting you know fingerprint sensor, SIM card on the left, power button, volume rockers. Very nice. Again, I am really feeling this Obsidian Black. Has a flat display, which is what I'm looking forward to. I'm more along the lines, it's kind of swaying away from curved screens. Even though curved screens have been improving, I prefer, if I can get a flat surface phone, I much prefer that. Now, real quick, this does have a Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus on the back. There's an aluminum frame. It is IP68 dust and water resistant. This is an AMOLED panel, 90 Hz refresh rate. It peaks out at 1400 nits, which is pretty good. This is a 1080 panel with a 416 PPI. It comes Android 13 and the Google Tensor chip G2. Now, this is an important thing because this has the same chip as the Pro. So from a performance standpoint, you're not missing out. This is the 128 gigabyte version. You can get this in 256, and this particular model does have 8 gigs of RAM, has the real fast UFS 3.1 memory data transfer. So you should be able to transfer data from your old phone to this phone pretty fast without any kind of problem. The main camera is a 50 megapixel 1.9 aperture rating. It does shoot at a comparable rating of like a 25 millimeter lens. It does have 4K at 30 and 60, 1080 at 30, 60, 120, 240. Optical image stabilization is part of the camera setup. Does shoot HDR in 10-bit if you're interested in editing your pictures. The selfie camera itself is a 10.88 megapixel camera. It does shoot 4K in 30, 60, 1080 in 30 and 60, and it does have stereo speakers, earpiece, and at the bottom, like I said, it does feature a fingerprint sensor, and you can use facial recognition to get in. The battery is a 4,355 milliamp battery, and it does fast charge at 30 watts. You can get 50% in 30 minutes as advertised. Fast wireless is at 20 watts. It does reverse wireless charging, USB delivery though. I do have the Obsidian Black does come in lemongrass, which is like a green, and a snow. And this does retail for $5.99. If you get it through Best Buy with a trade-in, you can literally get this phone, depending on what you're trading in, for way under the $599 value. I got mine under $200. So you can pretty much guess what I traded in. But that pretty much does it for the unboxing. Be on the lookout for some future videos and some case videos. Real quick, let me compare this to the iPhone, because like I said, I rock out the iPhone. This is the Pro Max iPhone. So give you an idea of the 6.3 inch phone in comparison to the 6.7 inch iPhone. But again, that pretty much does it for this video. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. Have any questions, leave that down below. Other than that, I catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.